Today we are going to do a maths activity which is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. The learning objective is to verify by paper cutting and pasting that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. The materials required is A4 size paper, scissors, a ruler, a black pen, rounder. Here we will make 7 shapes of quadrilateral. With the help of compass and ruler, mark 7 cm as shown here. Now draw arcs with same radi of angle of the quadrilateral on all 4 corners. Repeat this on all shapes of rectangle, square, trapezium, parallelogram, kite and rhombus. To make a square, fold the paper diagonally as shown here. Fold and cut off the excess part. Your square is ready. Now mark the arcs on all 4 sides. Do you know what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a 4-sided 2-dimensional polygon with 4 vertices and 4 angles, where the sum of its interior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. For a trapezium, take an A4 size paper and mark 3 cm as shown here. Join the ends and cut. A trapezium is a quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. Can you name the polygon which has 4 sides? It's quadrilateral. Can you name the quadrilateral that has 4 right angles? The answer is square and rectangle. Now mark the arc on all 4 sides of the trapezium. Now for parallelogram, mark 3 cm as shown here. Mark 3 cm on the opposite side and draw a line as shown here. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Can you tell the sum of co-interior angles of a parallelogram? The answer is 180 degrees. Mark arcs on all 4 sides. For kite, mark 7 cm on vertical A4 size paper on both sides. Mark center of vertical A4 size. Then join these dots as shown here. A kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. After joining the dots, make arc on all 4 sides. Can a quadrilateral have 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles? The answer is yes. Now for rhombus, fold the paper diagonally as shown here. Fold and cut off the excess. Repeat the same process that we used in parallelogram. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with all 4 sides equal and opposite sides parallel. So, make sure that all the sides of the rhombus are equal. Draw arc on all 4 sides of the rhombus. Now our 7 shapes of quadrilateral, rectangle, square, trapezium, parallelogram, kite and rhombus is ready. Here we have made parallelogram, trapezium, square, rectangle, kite and rhombus. Now let's cut the 4 angles of the rectangle. These are the 4 angles of the rectangle. Now we will cut the 4 angles of parallelogram. These are the 4 angles of parallelogram. Let's cut the 4 angles of a rhombus. These are the 4 angles of a rhombus. Now let's cut 4 angles of kite. These are the 4 angles of kite. Now let's cut the 4 angles of square. These are the 4 angles of square. Now let's cut the 4 angles of a trapezium. These are the 4 angles of a trapezium. Now arrange these 4 angles of a trapezium in such a way that it forms a circle. We can see that the 4 angles form a complete angle. Therefore, the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now let's see the 4 angles of a square. Arrange the 4 angles of a square in such a way that it forms a circle. This shows how the sum of all angles of a square is always 360. Let's see the 4 angles of a kite. Arrange the 4 angles of a kite in such a way that it forms a circle. This shows how the sum of all angles of a kite is always 360. Arrange the 4 angles of a rhombus in such a way that it forms a circle. This shows how the sum of all angles of a rhombus is always 360. Arrange the 4 angles of a parallelogram in such a way that it forms a circle. This shows how the sum of all angles of a parallelogram is always 360. Arrange the 4 angles of a rectangle in such a way that it forms a circle. This shows how the sum of all angles of a rectangle is always 360. You can paste this in your maths activity book or store in a plastic cover for future use. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down your suggestion about this video.